Proper nutrition is really one of the cornerstone of the rehabilitation kasi most of these dogs come from places where they were starved. Mga cases nga kami katulad ni Tia, nung na-rescue siya, hindi siya makatayo, and nakala namin nabundol siya sa sasakyan, ayun pala, severe malnutrition. We're grateful to those who donate pet food to us kasi every little bit of donation helps the shelter. It's very important to give dogs a second chance at a good life. Sana they will consider adopting from PAWS. Really means a lot to the dogs. If we could make them feel like it's Christmas every day, then that would be the best thing for them.